Guys, with the market being very volatile recently, having a huge crash and now we're recovering a bit, should you buy or should you sell right now? I'm going to be discussing that in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy and sell so that you guys can as well. I go over your portfolio and a lot of other services as well. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. With the #1 profiting community on Patreon, you're gonna want to get in before all spots fill up. So be sure to subscribe and smash that like button if you love cryptocurrencies. Also guys, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit any amount, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, something so interesting. Not only is Shiba moving up along with Bitcoin, but as Bitcoin crashes, Ethereum is now taking the #1 spot. Guys, just as I called out time and time again, Ethereum would eventually overtake Bitcoin. Guys, it might not be at that point right now. However, it wouldn't surprise me if the rest of the crypto market and all the altcoins now started to follow up along with Ethereum. Ethereum with a lot more use case and being used in the NFT scene along with Solana, they will inevitably have a greater future. Even though Bitcoin keeps dipping, it's testing its level of resistance, guys, hitting the bottom and then heading up again, which tells us that we are still on our bull run, especially being the most bullish months of the year historically. So for us to be back in the mid-60s for Bitcoin here just within the next week, it wouldn't surprise me. I'm also expecting to see Ethereum back at $5,000 here within the next week as well. Guys, a huge article came out titled, "Will Bitcoin hold 60K? Leverage shakeout close to complete, data suggests." Guys, the article discusses with a lot of volatility and a lot of traders being over leveraged. That's why we're seeing a dip. Not really a crash, but rather a short-term dip, so you don't want to pull out. You want to hold with diamond hands, never have paper hands, and sell out for less than you bought in for. Literally handing your money to the whales. They don't need your money. They're already millionaires and billionaires, so you want to hold out until you reach your desired profits. And guys, if you're investing in the top cryptos that I'm calling out, you're always going to go up in the long run. These are the cryptos that are always recovering, even when they have those dips and that volatility. Guys, that volatility is what allows us to buy at the dips and then sell at the peaks, profiting time and time again on my Patreon. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. Guys, another Bitcoin ETF is about to be approved, and if this happens, you can expect to see Bitcoin hitting $70,000 once again here very, very shortly. With a massive supply shortage, not only for Bitcoin, but also Ethereum, it's only getting worse as people that have these coins are now putting them into cold storage, staking them, literally putting them where they can't even touch them, can't sell them, can't trade them, therefore only inevitably causing these prices of the limited supply coins to only go up in value. Guys, that's why Ethereum can easily hit $40,000 next year per coin, Bitcoin near $200,000. However, I think a lot of interest is going to start going towards Ethereum even over Bitcoin over time because of its use case. Guys, with higher highs and higher lows forming on the Bitcoin charts, what we can see is an ascending triangle form. Guys, after an ascending triangle, after that consolidation, we have to break out. And it's either going to be to the upside or the down, and because we're still in our bull run, I believe it'll be to the upside. Guys, that ascending triangle is also playing out on the charts of Dogecoin, so you want to be ready for that breakout as well. You want to be positioned very well before that happens. Guys, we're also getting a bullish flag followed by a symmetrical triangle on the Shiba Inu charts as well. So it wouldn't surprise me if we had another huge breakout for Shiba Inu here very soon. So if you want to get into Shiba Inu, guys, I don't recommend putting all your eggs in one basket. Maybe 5 or 10% at most. This should be how you invest with your portfolio in general. Never put your whole investment in just one coin. Put about 5 or 10% each and every time I call out the dip so that you're dollar cost averaging and you're making money on average on each trade in the long run. And guys, as we take a look at the Dogecoin charts, as you can see, we came down quite a bit. We had to have this dip because we had such a huge bull run for so long, and then of course we hit the bottom. Just after hitting the bottom before, guys, this is a double bottom, which is very bullish, and that's why we hit it up from there. And of course, this is the bullish flag I'm talking about, followed by an ascending triangle. Guys, this ascending triangle right here is very bullish. We have to break out either up or down after this, and because we're on a bull run, I believe we'll head to the upside, so you want to be ready for that. Have some cash on the side to buy the dips when I call it out, and be ready to sell when I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Weeple link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit any amount, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung and smash that like button, be sure to do that if you love cryptocurrencies. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.